Okay, this is a fairly simple repair. You're gonna need a Phillips head screwdriver and a hex for the long screws, and so Phillips for the short. And this is the piece. You want to put it on and then do the Phillips screws first, the small ones. So basically it just goes kind of, gotta wiggle it around a little bit. You're basically trying to line up, there's a little square on the inside over here. I don't know if you can see it, that little square. It should line up, and like once it goes in there, it's pretty snug, like it won't move around or anything. So first we do the short screws. Just line them up. Screw them all in. Fairly tight. Gotta get them all the way in there. Nice and flat, like they just went in all the way. And then you want to do these little pieces. It has a little cutout to hold this part, so just line up the cutout with the cutout over here. I don't know if you can see it, there's a little cutout right there. You can put in one side by itself and then hook this part onto it, then do the other side. So let me see, I gotta switch the screwdriver. Ow. I'm dropping stuff here. Get this screw in here a little bit. Okay, then put it in its spot. There it is. Should like be really snug. And then just make sure the screw is straight. This one's super long, so it's a lot of screwing. It's like a workout for your hand, so freaking long. But yeah, you want to screw it in until it's like snug. Then what you do is you hook one side into there. It should pop in. There you go. So it will pop in just like that. And then you take the other piece and put it right in there. So it kind of snaps in. And then just do the other screw. I might actually make these holes slightly bigger, so it might make it easier to screw it in, because they don't really need to be super tight. But I mean, this I think is stronger. Oh, come on, coming straight. Come on. There we go. If I could put this on a power drill, I would. That would make life so much easier. But I don't think they have them that small. Yeah, my hand got tired. But there you go. Tighten that up. There, that's all the way. And there's the hinge, like good as new. It's nice and solid, and I tried to make it as close to this one, except, you know, this one's like 2 pieces, and this one's just basically a solid brick. Yeah, you can find it in my shop on Etsy, 3D printing loot. I'm gonna try to drop the link in the description. Thanks for watching.